The goal for any beginner learning Italian is to find a language app that quickly sets you on a path towards speaking. Babbel claims to offer short, impactful lessons centered on real-world conversation. But is it the right choice for you in 2026? We took another look at Babbel to bring you our up-to-date thoughts on one of the most popular language learning apps. I want to start by quickly running down how their app works. Babbel uses a comprehensive approach that develops both receptive skills, listening and reading, and productive skills, speaking and writing, over a structured curriculum. There are several levels and courses that are broken down into manageable 10-minute lessons. The format is diverse, featuring interactive drills. Babbel also layers in contextual grammar instruction right into the lessons as tips. Outside of the main lessons, the app also offers daily review sessions based on spaced repetition, along with extras like games, podcasts, and a digital magazine. They also recently added a new AI tool called Babbel Speak, featuring mock conversations with enhanced feedback. Naturally, we had to test it, but more on that after we compare Babbel's subscription options. Babbel lands near the more affordable end compared to their competition. They offer 3 main plans, a 3-month, 6-month, and 12-month subscription for around $8 to $15 per month after discounts, depending on the plan you pick. For those looking to learn multiple languages, Babbel also has a one-time purchase lifetime plan for around $300, which includes access to all 14 of their languages. Babbel almost always has a discount running to bring that down to $200, so be sure to check the description below. We'll keep that updated with their latest offers and a link to try out a full lesson before even making your decision. Now let's dive into the positives. And I want to pick back up with one of their newest features, Babbel Speak. In the past, we knocked Babbel for not incorporating more conversational practice. And now that we've tested it out, we can say we no longer have any issues here. It acts as an AI conversation partner using natural language processing to guide you through realistic scenarios from beginner phrases to fluent interactions. For learners who struggle with speaking practice, this feature alone makes Babbel worth considering. Another advantage is how Babbel handles grammar. They found a sweet spot, avoiding dense, boring instruction while not skipping it entirely. Grammar is smartly layered into lessons with quick one-slide teaching points and small pop-up tips. This provides a fundamental grasp of Italian speech patterns without overwhelming the learner with too much detail when the goal is to start picking up things intuitively. The final pro is Babbel's comprehensive suite of bonus features and excellent user experience. Outside of the main lessons, the app offers games, podcasts, short audio lessons, and a digital magazine. Both the mobile app and desktop version are quick and easy to navigate, offering one of the best user interfaces in the space. We wouldn't expect any less, but you definitely feel like you're getting the premium language learning experience with Babbel. Now let's turn the tables and discuss some of the drawbacks of using Babbel to learn Italian. First being its limited audio content outside of the core lessons. While Babbel has short, enjoyable audio lessons, there are only about 12 of them and they stop after the newcomer course. For learners who benefit greatly from immersive audio like those offered by Pimsleur or Rocket Italian, this lack of audio content in the higher levels could be a drawback. Second and last con, Babbel does not include video clips in its core program. Other apps such as Busuu and Memrise use short video clips of fluent speakers to aid visual learners and provide context. Integrating short videos here and there could be a valuable addition to Babbel's instruction that could also blend right into the lesson format. But for now, you'll find plenty of images you can start to associate with words and context. Okay, time for the final verdict. Is Babbel actually worth it for learning Italian? We think the answer is yes, with innovation. Babbel stands out as one of the best all-around options for beginners and intermediate learners. The lessons are short and comprehensive. The combination of its excellent spaced review system, smart grammar instruction, and intuitive user interface make for a highly effective and enjoyable learning experience. We suggest using Babbel Speak often as you progress. It's just the kind of feature we've been hoping for, and its price is competitive. The only major drawbacks are the lack of expansive audio lessons and video content. And it's too bad they no longer offer live classes, but there's plenty of ways to find those online nowadays, so we give Babbel our seal of approval. For the money, Babbel Italian is one of our favorite all-around programs and should be more than enough to help on your way toward independent fluency. For a full breakdown of all the features, pricing, and our hands-on experience, check out our full written review. All you gotta do to find that is Google Guide to Fluency Babbel Italian Review. By the way, we'll be giving away a language learning app to one of our subscribers. Just check out the details down below in the description to learn more. Super simple to enter. Just like, comment, and subscribe. That's all for now. Best of luck out there. Ciao.